Sharia law is used to govern the lives of Muslims. Before Islam, nomadic tribes roamed across the Arabian Peninsula. These tribes fought often because they had different customs regarding marriage, hospitality, and revenge. Usually, crimes were answered with personal retribution or sometimes resolved by an arbitrator. Muhammad is the founder of Sharia law. Muhammad acted as the judge in most cases by interpreting the Quran and applying it to his decision. After Muhammad died, a legal scholar, Shafi, developed the roots of law, which were a guideline for qadis to follow when coming to their decision as judges. There are 5 key features of Sharia law: penal law, the law of transactions, family law, the law of succession, and procedure and evidence. Because Sharia law is based upon the Quran, most of these features do not resemble modern-day English law. In the penal law, offenses against each other, from homicide to assault, are punishable by retaliation. For a handful of crimes, the punishment is fixed, for example, the amputation of the hand for theft. In the law of transactions, the principles of the law are laid down in the 4 root transactions: 1. Sale, 2. Hire, 3. Gift, and 4. Loan. Islamic law has a patriarchal outlook on family relationships. Fathers have the right to contract their daughters in marriage, but adult women who are no longer virgins must give her explicit consent to the marriage. Family law is based around the way gender roles are interpreted in the Quran. In the law of succession, an individual's testamentary disposition is limited to 1/3 of his or her net estate. 2/3 of the estate pass to the legal heirs of the deceased under the compulsory rules of inheritance. According to procedure and evidence, the law was administered by the court of a single qadi. He was the judge of the facts as well as the law. There was no hierarchy of courts and no system of appeals. The court was very casual, and most people told their case to the qadi orally or without legal representation. Written evidence and circumstantial evidence were inadmissible. Aspects of Sharia law resemble other law systems such as common law. However, it has been argued that Sharia law has no influence on other legal systems. Any similarities between Sharia law and another system are the results of solving alike problems in a similar fashion. Sharia law has definitely changed to adapt to modern times. Across the Middle East, most Islam countries do not apply Sharia across the board as law. However, some countries declare Sharia to be the only source of law. These countries receive criticism from others about their penal system and the way women are treated in family law. Changes have been made to Sharia law, including documentary and circumstantial evidence being admissible, witnesses being put under oath and being cross-examined, and now both sides are able to bring evidence to court. Family law has also changed and been adapted to modern Islamic societies, especially in the cities.